Alright, so my Tolkien books came in today, and I'm going to go ahead and unbox this sucker. Let's see. Package from Belgium. Purchased it from there because it's the UK version, or it's published by HarperCollins, so it's only available in the UK. Or in Europe, that is. Not available in the US. Most likely because the in the US, the exclusive publisher for Tolkien books is Houghton Mifflin, and this particular collection was published by HarperCollins. Look at that. Phone. Put a box deal here. I purchased this set from a website called TolkienLibrary.com. So this set includes The Hobbit, The Lord of the Rings, The Silmarillion, and The Children of Húrin. There they are. Now, I purchased this collection from, like I said, from a website called TolkienLibrary.com. I don't want to advertise for them or anything, but to be completely honest, my dealings with them have been fantastic. This is the first thing I've purchased from them. They're based in Belgium, but their communication is excellent. Service is great. Ordered it. It arrived promptly from Belgium, and they did a great job. This is a beautiful collection. As you can see, each book is individually slipcased inside a much larger slipcase. So there you have it. This is the Deluxe Tolkien Collection, published published by HarperCollins in the UK. Thanks for watching.